just got back from school, guys, and it is finally here. Yeah, Pro Circuit R304, shorty, something like that. Alright, a legit zero packing in there to protect it. Here it is in the bag. Alright guys, so the reason I got a new silencer is because while I was riding, the little end cap on here just fell off on the stock silencer. For the 06 KTM 125 SX, you're just gonna, my plastics have holes in it. I'm not sure if all plastics on the KTMs have these holes. They might, but mine literally look like they're just drilled there. So there's going to be that bolt. You're just going to remove that and pull this. Oh, that is really loose. Yeah, this whole thing is coming apart. Okay, well, yeah, so you're just going to pull that out and basically just pull it out of the entire system. It's pretty simple. Alright, so now you're going to want to take this piece off. You're gonna need this, and you're gonna want to reuse it. So you're gonna take the bearings from this one and install it on that one. And also, you're gonna take this rubber piece that I showed you earlier, and you're gonna put it on the new one as well. Okay, so I just got the bearings on, and getting that little rubber bearing on there was extremely hard. I had to use like this screwdriver thing to jam it through, and I was like trying to be careful because I didn't want to cause any damage, and it was crazy, but I got it. So now when you take this piece, there's kind of like an indentation in there, you kind of see. You'll slide it on until you hit that indentation. Another thing, guys, is when you're installing a silencer, you do not have to retune anything or rejet anything in the carburetor because it is just a silencer. If I was to change the pipe, I might or probably would have to rejet or retune stuff in the carburetor, but with just a silencer and you still have the regular stock pipe on there, you don't have to do anything. I do not know the torque ratio for that bolt right there. I don't know if there is one. There might be. Who knows? I got the Pro Circuit pipe all installed, and it looks sweet. So guys, just from starting it up so far, it sounds exactly the same. Okay, so right off the bat, I noticed it does have a lot more bottom end torque, just like immediately. I can feel it. So that's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna keep riding. No! Damn son of a... that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you can get use out of it if you've never done that or you don't know how. And yeah, we got some more videos to come, definitely. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.